What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today we are going to review a suspense thriller, a Kannada movie, a O Karala Ratri. The story is derived from a play, and especially it's from a tragic English literature, Lithuania by Rupert Brooke. So the story is very amazing, suspense and thriller, and it revolves around a family who is living in a village, strike strike with poverty, and especially the girl living there. She is a young Malika, her name is, and she is living with her parents. A mother always very innocent, a father who is drunkard, and they have a land and a tiny house. So they are upset with their financial and social status because their life is not going anywhere. There are loan sharks because the house and everything is pledged to them, and they are upset with their poverty. One day, what happens? An astrologer passer by their house and tells them that sooner or later you will have wealth in your house and it will come at your doorsteps, but you have to control your greed and lust. They were tired with their own life. They send him off and they are not willing to listen to him. Thus it happens that there comes a tourist around their village, and since they are living with a young daughter, they were reluctant to accommodate him. And he said that since the other village is very far, would it be very possible that I can stay at your home? And they said okay, and they let him stay there. Thus starts the story. The opening scene of the movie shows the flame, and now is the story what revolves around are these characters. Poverty, social status, innocence of a mother, and a daughter who wanted to get married, run away from this life of poverty, and wanted to have her own life. So now this tourist stays in their house and tells them that I can offer you money if you wanted to buy some food. I can offer you for your situation because I can understand. I have money, and at least I could help you if you are giving me a shelter. And now their mind games are starting that why not we kill this guy because we have seen that he looks like a very rich person. And there comes the loan shark person, and he says that when are you going to pay me the loan? And they were tired with their poverty, and they just said that okay, sooner or later we will pay it. He said things can be settled if you will give me your daughter, and then all your loan is gone. The parents were saddened by this situation, but they cannot do anything because they have taken the money from him. So now what happens? The loan shark goes away, and the tourist hears that, and he said that I could pay the money, whatever. See, I have jewelry, money, and if these things could help, it will be very great for me, so that I can at least finish something from you, a headache or financial problem that you are going through. They were reluctant to have his money so that they will show that oh, we are not greedy about your wealth. But deep down they know that what their situation is. Thus starts their urge of doing something that will change the scenario. So now they wanted to, the girl is greedy. She said I have seen the jewelry, I wanted to keep the jewelry, the rest of the money you can take it and pay back the loan shark. So she is manipulating their parents, where the father is drunkard but he has no feeling of doing harm to this. But the mother, she is silent. So the guy goes somewhere else and he says that I wanted to eat chicken curry, so here is the money and extra money, you wanted to use it, bring spices and everything and cook that one. So the girl now trying to think that why not we poison him and kill him. But the mother is innocent. She said it is very unfair if he is helping us, but what we are paying back. We wanted to kill him. I don't want to do that, but the dominant the spirit of greed in the women, Malika, overcomes the family. Send his father away, and now mother is in the house and daughter is in the house. Curry is cooked, the tourist is gone somewhere else, and she get the plate and poison that plates with the food. And thus comes the two policemen. They said that we have seen somebody who has stole something and we have seen a thief here. And they thought maybe they are talking about this tourist, but it is not. They said that here is no one in the house. So the tourist said, smells something delicious. They said there is a chicken curry. Okay, they come, and the mother said, okay, let's move these plates away and give the nice plates of the food to them. They eat there, they thank them, and they go away. So now what happens, the plates which are poisoned, they were given to the dogs. Unfortunately, the dog eat it and dies. The daughter didn't know that what happened with the dogs, and later find out that the plates that are served to the tourist, they didn't have a poison. And once he eat, the daughter was expecting that maybe he will die, but it didn't happen. She was saddened by this, that mother, how come mother forget that she should put that plates and switch that plates? Unfortunately, the power of greed overcomes her, and she kills the tourist. After killing it, she set the house flame. So now the other people already in the village already know that what is happening and what has happened. But in the end, this story reaches to the father who is in another shop and find out the fact that who the tourist is. And this is the ending point that I don't want to reveal it, because you will really like to know that what happened and what was who was the person and why he came to his village, what was his vision, and he even didn't know who he was, what his relationship was with this village. So you will find out this one. And there is another movie that recently released similar to this one, and let's review that one also. And I hope you will really like this movie, worth watching, and really got award also. And I hope you will kindly like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. And if you like other movies, kindly please, any other movie to recommend, please recommend. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a great day.